Alright, let's try this. I ain't never done it like this before, but we're gonna do it like this time. So I got a haul video for you guys. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Just 1 second. So I got a new mirror. Cracked my old one. So I had to get a new one. Hopefully I can get these stickers off. I want to put the stickers on my new one. Right now, State and Salon Centric are having a sale 15% off of the whole store for today, yesterday, and tomorrow. And then 25% off select items that they have for doorbusters. So that's why I got some of the stuff that I did. That mirror, it was only like $9. Malibu Sea Undo Goo. This is a clarifying shampoo. I tried it one time. It was a suggestion from one of the retail associates, and I liked it, so I got it again because it was on sale. So I got 2 products from Amika. This was not on sale. This was on the 15% off store-wide. I've tried this product before. This is a Wizard Detangling Primer, but this is a silicone-free one, so I was just like, why not try this while it's on sale? And then they had this as the doorbusters. So this is normally like $20-something, and I got it for like $15. This is the Amika Soul Food deep conditioner. I wanted to give it a try. I like the few products that I've tried so far. So I was like, let's try this. Got this from Care, the cream press. Just helps with natural hair getting it straight. They also gave me a little 40% off coupon, so I'm about to go back and use that. I don't know what I'm using for. Probably, I got all the flat irons I need, maybe some clippers, I don't know. But 40% off is getting used. So I was detangling one of my clients' hair like on Saturday, and baby, she's a goner. She's a goner. So I got me a Denman. This is the Denman paddle brush. I used Denman brushes before, but never the paddle brush. So I wanted to give it a try. It says it helps with straightening, it helps with the time. Let's see what it says. This is the D38 power paddle. It was a couple of claims that it had. Fast, dry, smooth, and style. So I'm excited to see how this will work. I'm a paddle brush kind of guy, so we'll see how this goes. Now they had the doorbusters for the Mazzani Miracle Milk, so I grabbed a few of these. I sell these retail for my clients. I like the product. My clients like it. Even when I was at the store, she was like, oh yeah, everybody loves it. So some of these for retail. So then I went to my local beauty supply store because there's a couple things that I needed to get. I got me another shower cap because the one I have is too small. I got this, a mesh cap, because I've been using the papers to wrap around when I do shortcuts and stuff like that, but I want to be a little bit more sustainable. Also not use as many paper products if I can. So this is reusable. Got this to try it out, see how I like it. And another bonnet because mine is too small. I got too much hair, too much big giant head. So at the beauty supply, I got some hair color spray. I got black and also got honey blonde. I have been using the high beams, but I hate the way this sprays out. It sprays out so hard and forceful. That's too much. So yeah, I got these. And then just some duckbill clips because I'm going to be doing a kind of Hollywood waves kind of style, and I needed some more duckbill clips, so I got these from there because they're the cheapest at the beauty supply. And that's it for this haul. Just a few things that I got. I need to wash my hair. It's looking crusty, but I'm going to use this Soul Food as my deep conditioner, see how it works. I think, I got some 4C hair. Yeah, so we'll see how this works. We'll put it to the test, baby. Peace.